Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Today we are going to be discussing trend trading and what is trend trading. So to define trend trading, it's basically trading in the same direction of the trend. Very basic. You're just trying to decide whether you are going to buy a position or if you're going to sell a position. And basically that means, if the trend is going up, then you want to look for opportunities to buy. If it's going down, you want to look for opportunities that you can sell it. So how do we identify a trend? Well, the first step to that is basically you just want to try to keep it simple. By keeping it very simple, it's easily to analyze a chart and decide what direction the trend is. If it's going down, you want to look for selling opportunities. And if it's going up, then you look for buying opportunities. So, how do you confirm your trend bias? Yes, I said bias. So, basically, in order to confirm your bias, you need a strategy. There are several ways to confirm your bias is correct. I'll share a few that I use, starting the most basic to the more complex. Let's take a look at a chart. So as you can see here, you see all this candlesticks going up and going down. And we'll look at a downtrend from a section of that chart. And you can tell that this is a downtrend in a few ways. First off, you see the arrows. They're pointing to a lower low and a lower high. And it forms a downward channel. And on the opposite side, when the trend reversed, it was going up. And that's marked by higher highs. And then you will also see the higher lows. And the lows are almost non-existent. One more thing you can do for more confirmation, and this is lagging, so this will be after a trend has already started. So you won't catch it right at the beginning. But it has the same cursors. And you want to look at the 50, 100, and 200 EMAs to confirm your bias. Well, guys, I really appreciate y'all watching the video. Please subscribe and like us. You can check our links out to our website if you want more information, or also share us on Facebook, Twitter, and good luck trading.